Right, our juice is ready. So I will pour my juice. I've just done mango juice. I love mango. So we can have it. Let's have a taste. Let us taste our food. Wow. Can't wait. Can't wait. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Look at them. Very nice. Hi guys, welcome to Palome's kitchen. Today we are going to make KFC chicken, and we also going to have it with vegetables. Last time I taught you how to do broccolis. Today I'm still going to teach you how to do broccolis and this gnocchis. And then we are going to have it with mango juice. And with our KFC, I have my breadcrumbs ready. I have my eggs ready. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to boil my meat, my chicken with this. So as I'm going to start, I'm going first to wash my chicken. Once I've washed it, I'm going to boil it with these spices. You can wash and marinate and then boil. But mine, I'll just wash it and boil it direct. For chicken. Alright, paprika, I'm going to add mix masala, I'm going to add garam masala, and I'm going to add chicken masala. So as you add, you stir, and once I've stirred like that, I'm going to add salt, and we are going to boil our meat in that water, just like I told you. So we are going to make this boil, and then after boiling, then you will see how we are going to make it our KFC chicken. We are going to cover, and also as I was telling you, I'm going to have this with my French fries. I love them when they are crunchy. Look at that. This shows that they are ready. So our French fries are ready. Oh, we are going to wash our veggies. Let me unwrap it. You have to wash them. Yes. I'm going to teach you how to cook this very fast so that it stays green, because the secret is it should stay green. So I'm going to wash them well, and then as I'm washing, rinsing them there. I'm going to rinse them there. Yeah, all of it. So I've put my water to boil. We are just going to boil them. Just for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, then we are done. We are not going to boil them for long. And I have my water, so I'm going to put salt in that water. There's something also I'm going to put apple cider. The reason why I'm putting apple cider, or you can put apple cider or vinegar, is I want them to retain their color. So if you want your veggies to retain their colors, the green color, this is what you do. You add that vinegar. So I'm going to add my veggies, and just like I've said, we are going to parboil them for a little while. So we are going to make them boil for 5 minutes. So I'm going to cover. So we are going to check our chicken. Yes, it is boiling well. Our chicken is boiling well, just like I told you. Mine, I will not just deep fry without boiling, because I also hate when I'm eating my chicken and then when I bite, there is some blood, reddish thing. So to avoid that, just boil your chicken well. It makes them even more healthy. Boil them. So this one we are going to boil for 10 minutes. So we cover again for 3 minutes, then they will be done. So we are going to add this garlic into this, so that to give it that aroma. I love the aroma. So this one is done, and the spices is well incorporated into the chicken. So this is a very nice way of making sure that your spices is well incorporated into your chicken. So we are going to put our... Okay, let's now check our veggies. They are well done. Now we put off the fire. Then we are going to sieve them. Another secret, we are going to run this on cold water. Our chicken is well done. Now we want to do the veggies first. Look at it. Nice. We are going to saute our onions. Just going to saute our onions like that. Our onion is well sauteed. Now we are going to some grounded garlic. We're going to add there. Then we saute them together for a while. Now this is nice. Okay, this one it to brown, but we're going to add our veggies. I love that already mixed with spring onions. Spring onions are good with aroma. They will also make your veggies taste well. So we will add salt to taste. And as we add salt, then we will stir. What we are going to add here is also this apple cider. We had cooked with it to retain the color. Only a bottle, not a bottle, sorry, a lid of this apple cider, 2 of them. So after adding that, we are also going to add soy sauce. not so much, just a little of soy sauce. So we are going to mix. The reason why I'm adding vinegar is to give it a taste, to make it taste well, nice. Oh, about myself. Amanda, show this one. That is my daughter recording me. Yes, we always cook together, and as she's recording me, she's also learning. You can always also encourage your daughters, your sons to cook with you so that they learn. It's done because we had boiled it and we don't want it to turn color. And good. Pitisha hivyo kidogo. Record. I want to start making my chicken, and I'll break the eggs. Okay. And we'll beat our egg. In one, we'll put our breadcrumbs there. And this, we will put our eggs there. So, this is what we had before, the spices, because I want my chicken to taste well. I've mixed these spices, and then this spice, I will mix them in my breadcrumbs. And if you are a chili person like me, I will show you where I'm going to put the chili later, because this for the kids, and my kids don't take chili. So this is what you mix, the breadcrumbs you mix with that spice. It's also the easiest way you can do it. Remember, we had spiced our chicken. It was well done. Now this is what we do. We dip it here in eggs. After dipping in eggs, then we'll dip it in the breadcrumbs. So we'll turn it on, just like I told you we're doing KFC chicken. We'll turn it on, then return it here again. So returning it here, return it here. I'm showing you how to turn it well. So this one is ready to deep fry. And you will see the reason why I was telling you that you need to boil first, because I know this chicken, sometimes when you boil them, you deep fry them without boiling them, they will not cook so well. So remember, our breadcrumbs has some spices on it, so that one will make it juicier. I'm telling you, this one is going to be better than KFC. If you don't believe it, try it. Try it, and you will never waste your money, or you will never buy KFC. We are learning to do our own KFC, so that sometimes you can save money. Instead of going to eat out, you can eat in the house, so that you save money. Not all the time you can be eating out, but also sometimes go enjoy yourself. If you want to go out and eat, our oil is ready, so we are going to dip in there. Be careful when you are doing this. So what you can notice that the breadcrumbs they brown very fast. So imagine if you have not boiled your chicken. Imagine. I just want you to imagine. So that is why it is good you boil your chicken. No shortcuts. Just boil your chicken. It will kill the germs. It will make them ready to eat. Boil them well. Yeah. As you can see, our chicken has really browned very fast. And that is why I'm stressing that point of boiling. Boil your chicken fast. I've seen so many people doing this without boiling their chicken fast. And to me, I don't think if the inside of those chickens are normally well cooked. Just like I tell you, this is a channel where you cook healthy food and eat healthy food. So we are going to, our chicken is ready, and maybe I'm covering the fat. Well done. Wow. Just like I told you, if you are a spicy guy, so the last one you can put all the spices. Like I love cayenne, I love black pepper, and since I want my children to enjoy their food, I will not interfere by putting for them spices. So what we do, we mix our spice so well, mix it so well, put it there. You see? Oh, spice. Okay. The last one, the one that put spice on it, the chili one. You see? Oh. Yes. Blending my juice. Alright, our juice is ready. So I will pour my juice. I've just done mango juice. I love mango, so we can have it. Let's have a taste. Let us taste our food. Wow, can't wait. Can't wait. Look at them.